How to create an account on Alibaba. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for alibaba.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Alibaba. Tap on the sign up button on the top right of your screen and you will further be led to the signing up page for Alibaba. So go ahead and select your country or region first and further select your trade role. Now enter your email address and then enter your login password. Make sure to meet the password requirement while setting the password. Re-enter your password and then enter your company name, your full name, and your phone number. You will further be asked to slide the slider for verification purpose. So slide the slider and tap on the Terms and Conditions checkbox. And finally, tap on the Agree and Register button. You will then be asked to enter the verification code sent to the email address you just entered. So go ahead and enter the code and tap on the submit button, and if the code you entered is correct, your account will be created successfully on Alibaba. So this is how you can create an account on Alibaba. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.